Today I'm going to show you how the clone primitive works. This primitive will help you make projects with multiple turtles doing the same thing. Basically, you can use clone to make additional turtles with the same properties as the master turtle. Let's see how clone works. Type this in the command center. Clone T1. You can see that a new turtle is visible just below and to the right of T1. It's T2. Now go back to the clone T1 line and press enter again. T3 now appears. It will be right on top of T1, so move T3 over so you can see all three turtles. Now type this in the command center. T3 set color red. And the turtle should now be red. And now type this, clone T3. You should now see a new T4 and it is red. Now go to the procedure pane and type the code below. To grow underscore shrink. Repeat 5. Set size 75. Weight 4. Set size 25. Weight 4. End. Now right-click on the red T4 and open its dialog box. In the on-click field, choose the grow underscore shrink procedure. And click apply. Click on T4 and watch it grow and shrink. Now type this in the command center. Clone T4. Move the newly created T5 turtle a bit and click on it. It also grew and shrunk. The properties of the master turtle were copied to the new cloned turtle. And you can right-click on T5 and see the grow underscore shrink procedure in its dialog box. This is a very powerful and time-saving feature if you want multiple turtles doing the same thing. If you plan on having more than one turtle in your project doing similar things or having similar properties, take your time setting up your master turtle. Make sure it works as you want it to, and only then make as many clones as you need. In other words, don't start by adding as many turtles as you need in your project. And side note, any changes to the master turtle you made after you made a clone are not inherited by the clone. The cloned turtle is an exact copy of the master turtle at this specific moment of cloning. In the Lynx sample project called On Your Mark, Get Set, inside the Learner Mode folder, we made a master turtle and then made 2 clones with different clip art as the 3 racers all doing the same thing, the Go Racers procedure. You can use clone for things like making many stars that twinkle in random positions in the night sky, or a few turtles that dance at a chorus line or country and western line dance. And remember to look at the Lynx sample project for clone. That's it for now. Thanks. Until next time.